17's coming in September with a 24-megapixel selfie cam and a slim Air model. Ready for the hype? Stick with GadInsider for the juicy rumors. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. The iPhone 17 series, dropping on September 2025, is already buzzing with leaks about 4 models, a 24MP front camera, and a slick new Air variant. Let's unpack the rumored specs, pricing, and more. The iPhone 17 series might include the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and a new iPhone 17 Air, rumored to be ultra-thin at 5.5mm. All models could rock a 24MP front-facing camera for sharper selfies, and a mechanical aperture might improve light control. The base iPhone 17 is tipped to pack 12GB RAM, up from 8GB in the iPhone 16, and a 3nm A19 chip for faster performance and better battery life. Apple Intelligence will supercharge AI features, making your phone smarter than ever. Expect the iPhone 17 to launch around September 9 to 13, 2025, with pre-order soon after. Pricing might start at $899 in the US. Financial Express says the Air's new name screams lightweight luxury, but we're waiting on Apple's official word. No official release date yet, but September is the hot rumor. Follow GadInsider for the latest iPhone 17 leaks, hands-on previews, and tips to snag one at launch. Check Apple's sites for updates as we get closer. And that's the iPhone 17 rumor roundup, GadInsider fam. Are you hyped for the Air model or that 24MP selfie cam? Drop it in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.